Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Alan Simberg, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about rewiring your brain for lasting recovery. And before I get into the details of that, I would appreciate it if you would help me fulfill my passion for helping as many people as possible by liking this video, commenting on it, or even subscribing to the channel. And now, what do I mean by rewiring your brain? Well, in previous videos, I have talked about cognitive behavioral therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy helps people to manage their thoughts in a way that helps them to overcome any challenge they might be facing. So, as a brief review, there's cognitive challenging, cognitive reframing, and cognitive refocusing. The cognitive challenging part is you ask yourself, what's the reason I'm having trouble with this? What's causing me the trouble? And then you identify a solution. So, as an example, you might think, well, I'm having trouble with my recovery because I've relapsed in the past and I don't even know if I'll even relapse again. And then the next step is you refocus your attention on a solution. You identify relapse prevention strategies that can help you not to relapse. And then once you've identified that, you put your attention on something else. Because if you've been having that previous thought in the past, you have that in your brain pathways, and it's easy to go back to that thought. But if you put your attention on something else, soon after you identify a strategy, a relapse prevention strategy, it helps to begin to break that pathway. And now I'm going to talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness basically means putting your attention on one thing and maintaining that attention. So you can do a relaxation, deep breathing exercise. You can meditate. You could go for a walk in nature and just look around and appreciate what you see. Now, you might be thinking, well, I don't know, meditation's kind of woo-woo. I don't know about this deep breathing thing, but I want to tell you, it's so significant. Those strategies are so significant in contributing to you maintaining your recovery journey. When you do the deep breathing technique, as I've described in another video, you're calming your nervous system. And when your nervous system is calm, it helps you to identify solutions more easily than when your nervous system is in the fight or flight mode. When you do meditation or when you go for a walk in nature and just pay attention to what you're seeing, when you're doing the deep breathing, just paying attention to the count, the inhalation counts and the exhalation counts. What you're actually doing when you're using mindfulness is you're training your brain to stay focused on something. There have to have been times in your life when you're thinking about something and then all of a sudden you get all these different ideas and you're not sure which idea to pay attention to. Well, practicing mindfulness consistently with reasonable consistency helps you to manage those kinds of thoughts. And let's say, for example, you're doing the deep breathing and you start getting other thoughts. Do your best not to stress about it. Just notice that you had those thoughts and just let them go and go back to what you were paying your attention to. And the last part of what's very important for you is to never ever give up. One of the strategies that you can use not to give up is think about all that you've accomplished so far in your recovery journey. Build on it. The building of the foundation that you've already accomplished, it's there. If you need to take a short break, you need to do something maybe that doesn't exactly have anything to do with recovery, that's okay. But get back to it. Don't let too much time pass before you maintain your attention on your recovery journey. And in my next video, I'm going to be talking about navigating boredom in recovery.